Yeah, welcome to the 2024 Toyota 4Runner. Oh, this thing is amazing. Yes, sir. You don't have to worry about gravel, rocks, uneven pavement. And you just want to take it off-road, all you have to do is just veer. There you go. Woo! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And god damn, today just decided to be a very sunny day, but we out here with the 2024 Toyota 4Runner. So I'm going to show you guys the exterior. We're going to do a little walk around, then I'm going to show you the interior and see how good this truck is. But before we continue with the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the like button, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more car content. Right off the bat, you can tell this is an off-road four-door SUV. This 4Runner has a very aggressive front grille, and you have your Toyota emblem right over here. You have LED and a combination of halogen headlights. Also, you have your fog lamps right over here. Big, massive off-road tires, 265 70/17s. Over here, you have your mirrors with no turn signal indicators. Nice big windows. You have this badge right over here that says SR5. Not really sure what that stands for, but if you guys know more than me about Toyotas, you're more than welcome to leave me a comment and tell me exactly what that means. You have your gas tank on the driver's side, very convenient. This big rear spoiler over here with the windshield wiper tucked in there. Then you have the Toyota 4Runner emblem and a lock and unlock button right over here. Coming further down, you have a single exhaust on the passenger side, and you have your spare tire right there. And that's about it. You also have these rails on the roof. You have no sunroof, but still, it's a beautiful off-road car. And I think it's pretty cool. Let's open the rear hatch. Let's come around, open the rear hatch. Opening the rear hatch, you have this handle right here. In this compartment, you have your jack. Hopefully I'll be able to open it with one hand. There you go. So you have your jack in there. As I mentioned earlier, the tire is right under the car. You have a little bit of space over here. Of course, these row seats, you can fold them down. Some more storage space over here. You have a 120 volt outlet and a 12 volt outlet. And you have a first aid kit right there. Let's go ahead and close the rear hatch. Now that I show you guys the exterior, let's take a look at the interior of the car. Coming into the car, you have your door panel, and you have a combination of soft rubber and hard plastic. You have a little bit of storage space right over here with two cup holders. These are your window switches. This is your AC vents. You have your mirror controls and some more buttons. Light control switches are right over here. Let's go ahead and step in, close the door, put the foot on the brake, and you have a start-stop button right over here. We're gonna go ahead and press that to get the car started. The AC running because we're in South Florida and it's hot as hell over here, guys. It is very, very hot. So that's your cluster. You have two analog gauges, LCD screen in the middle. This is your steering wheel. You have some media controls on the left side, and on the right side you have the controls for the center screen on the cluster. On the right you have a digital clock. Over here, AC vents, nice infotainment system, made it to a 6-speaker sound system that sounds pretty good. Of course, we have a push button start. This is your AC controls. I feel like the buttons for the AC, they made them too big for no reason, but that's how Toyota made it. What can you do about that? You have a USB and a 12-volt outlet and some storage space right over here. Over here you have your transfer case, whether you want to put your car in 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive, 4x4. You also have a cup holder, and you can remove this cubby if you want to put in a bigger cup. Gear selector, another cup holder, and this is a switch to open the rear window. Like that. You keep going over here, you have some more storage space with another 12-volt outlet. You also have a little bit of storage space right over here inside the glove compartment. And like in any other car, you also have a glove box right over here with all your owner manuals. This vehicle also comes with this cable, which is a trailer brake jumper harness wire connection. Okay. When you buy a Toyota 4Runner brand new, you get a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty. This truck also has a 4-star safety rating and a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. Hard plastic over here. Coming on up, you have your sun visor. You have some off-road options and sunglasses compartment, your light, and that's pretty much it. In the rear, you get space for 3 adults. You have 2 cup holders on the armrest. This is the door panel for the rear doors, the window switches, a cup holder. You also get a storage net behind the driver's seat and the passenger seat. You have AC vents and 2 USB Type-C. You're gonna pull this latch. Have a 4-liter V6 engine making 270 horsepower, made it to a 5-speed automatic transmission. The battery is on the driver's side, right there. And if you're wondering about the fuel economy, she would do 60 miles per gallon in the city and 90 miles per gallon on the highway. All right, so I just climbed the Toyota 4Runner up this very steep climb, and it's time to bring her back down. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Safety first, so we're gonna put in the seat belts. All right, let's do this. I have to make sure I position the vehicle correctly. There's only one way to go down. Let me actually step out and make sure I'm aligned. All right, yeah, I think we're good to go. So now I'm wondering how good this thing can do donuts. Yeah, we're gonna do some donuts right now and see if the 4Runner can turn up. Okay, so to do donuts, all you have to do is make sure the vehicle is in 2-wheel drive. And then up here you have your traction control button, and we're gonna go ahead and press and hold. There you go. We're ready to go. The next thing you want to do is make sure you have your windows up. If not, all the dust and all the rocks are going to come into the car. You don't want that. So yeah, let's do it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she do great donuts. We're gonna drive her through the mud, but we're not gonna get her all muddy. Just gonna clean the tires a little bit, you know? Hey guys, that is it on this beautiful 2024 Toyota 4Runner. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more car content, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.